your birthday tomorrow. You ready for the birthday? Hey, buddy? Oh, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with that, sunshine? What is it? Can you push it? Can you give it a good push? Give it a heave-ho. Get your back. Oh, you're trying to. Maybe you can get into it over there. Yeah, circle it a bit. Maybe you need something that'll help you get into it. What's this up, buddy? You need to make sure Mummy doesn't get that. Where's Mummy? Where you going, mister? Hey? Hey, cheeky boy. Cheeky boy.